Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your AdSense earnings in 2026. So if you want to track how much money you're making from YouTube or your website, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and sign in to your Google AdSense account. Once inside, the homepage dashboard will already show an overview of your estimated earnings. For more detailed information, click the Reports tab from the left side menu. Here you can see daily earnings, monthly income, page views, clicks, and overall performance metrics. Use the date filter to check earnings for today, the last 7 days, last month, or custom time periods. If your AdSense account is connected to YouTube, your YouTube revenue will appear here automatically. Estimated earnings update daily, while finalized earnings are confirmed at the end of the month. Small changes are completely normal. You can also go to the payments section to see pending balances, completed payouts, and payment dates. If needed, you can download reports for record keeping or tracking your growth over time. And earnings can change depending on traffic, audience location, and advertiser demand, so monthly revenue may go up or down. So that's how to check your AdSense earnings in 2026. Monitoring your reports regularly can help you understand what content earns the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.